Hello. It's been a long time.
Hi.
How are you?
I know. Let me put on my
Yeah,
little headset. Hold on.
sure.
So I can hear you better. We're good. How are you?
I'm all right, thank you. But I'm really so delighted this morning here that because I got my oldest friend here in my platform. So glad to see you. What about you?
I know it's been a long time. I'm like I haven't been on. I just been like so busy with life and trying to figure things out, like personal things. And I just took myself off for a little bit and you know took care of some stuff and now I'm back. How's
But
your garden?
oh,
Same?
you remember that how brilliant you are. Yeah, everything is doing good, but we are getting about to winter. Okay, so I'm trying to make a new plan that is like I want to cultivate like a winter crops, and then I will try to plow my
Yeah.
land, then try to spread out some seeds for winter vegetables.
That's good. How's your brother, your sibling?
Oh, everyone is good. Thank you so much. But
Yeah.
I got my new guest, my bird,
I hear it.
Tweety, huh? Tweety, Tweety. Do you wanna come up? Look, I'm gonna show. I can't really let him to be out of his nest. That because sometimes my bird try to fly away. I'm quite fear of it, though. I'm very fond of my bird.
Oh, clip it. Oh, so cute.
Tweety, Tweety, say hello.
Oh no, how pretty.
Yeah, very happy. But
That's good.
yeah,
You've been good?
okay, pardon.
You've been well?
Yeah, thank you. But I basically just let him to be out from his nest in the evening time. That because out of my house it looks really darkness, and therefore my bird cannot go outside of my room, and my bird just made me really so much boring, too much boring when I just let him to be out.
Oh, so he's like your pet. You have a little bird pet.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna get a dog in January.
Oh, you're gonna
puppy.
get a dog in January 2025?
Yeah. Yes.
Ah, okay. But
The puppy born today.
oh,
And then someone's gonna give it to me 8 weeks later. Once it eats the milk, drinks the milk from the mom. So 8 weeks, and then I'll
oh,
get the puppy.
that's cool though. But which species of this
Yeah.
dog? Like German Shepherd or something like that?
Oh no, it's a toy Yorkie.
Ah,
A
okay.
toy. It's a mini dog.
Yeah.
Yorkie. It
Yeah,
looks like a teddy bear.
yeah. I got it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love that.
Yeah.
Mhm. Well, I love that, but you know what? Really, to brought up them, it needs so much money. Otherwise, they cannot be really grow up with a hygienic way.
Yeah. My friend has one, and that's why I'm getting one. I'm like, oh, it's so cute, and like she gives it good food. So whatever she's doing for her dog, I'm gonna do the same thing. Because my two little kids, they love the dog. Like they love her dog. So I was like, let's just get a little puppy, you know?
Yeah.
Gives me something to do. I'm bored all the time. Yeah. Well, okay, and it was nice talking to you, Gazi.
Okay.
I'm gonna continue the live. I
Okay.
think I'm gonna get off soon
Oh,
anyway. 'Cause I'm tired.
Certainly.
Oh, the draw. Woohoo.
Okay. So lots of love from Bangladesh, and nice to see you also. And we will talk once again on the other day if you are in the mood.
Yes.
Thank you. Cheers for now. Bye.
Yes. Yes. Bye, Gazi. Thank you so much for stopping by.
Bye.
Bye.